just arrived Road Greece Port. Then, maya-maya lalabas kami. Mag-city tour dito sa Road Greece. Ito yung area. Very nice siya. Ito yung cruise ship namin. Island Princess. Ito siya. Another port. Ito naman the other side of the cruise ship. Yan siya. Maya-maya labas na kami sa cruise ship. Then go for city tour. Ito yung port ng Road Greece. Ito may swimming pool. Ito yung harap ng cruise ship.